guys, this is about my 6-month mark in my lunar journey with Morrocco Method. So I wanted to go ahead and walk you through my current shower routine, starting with my pre-shampoo treatment. Today I'm going to sit with Curl Power for about an hour under a heat cap before I hop in the shower. So I'm going to show you how I do that. First, I'm going to detangle my hair with the detangler. I use it, my kids use it, and honestly it smells so good. I think it's the rosemary and the grapeseed oils in it. It just smells so good. And then I'm going to go through with a wide tooth comb to get the tangles before I brush my hair. And another good thing that I've found over this winter is I normally have really bad dandruff. I am not having that trouble this year, which is great because normally my scalp is flaky and itchy. Okay, so I'm gonna flip my head over and brush a few times. And go from the nape of your neck all the way down to the ends. And then I found the best way to flip over without tangles, at least for me, is to split my hair down the middle like that. Stand back up. Go back through with your wide tooth comb. Now I'm gonna go back in with my brush and do the top part. Brush my bangs back. Now I'm gonna go in with the Curl Power. I'm gonna take about that much. I'm gonna start with the ends of my hair. And I'm just going to finger comb it in. Another bunch. And I'm just going to do this all the way up, but not to my scalp. And this is a really good deep conditioner. I know some people use it as a pomade afterwards. I have done that a few times when I want a little extra hold, but the butters and everything in it make it so nice as a pre-shampoo treatment. I'm just going to do a twist braid, and then I'm gonna go pop this in my heat cap for about an hour. Hey guys, I am back, and today I'm going to use the Heavenly Essence shampoo. About how much I've used in 6 months. A good half of this was during my first 2 months when I was transitioning into the natural hair care. So detoxing, I tended to use it more like full strength, and now I tend to dilute it more. So now I dilute it probably 1 part shampoo and 3 parts water. And then I'm also going to use the Pearl Essence conditioner. And again, I used a lot of this when I was detoxing, but now that I'm fully detoxed, I don't need hardly any of this at all. And honestly, this will probably last me the rest of the year. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and wash, and then I will be back to show you how I style. Okay, I am back after my shower. I use the Heavenly Essence as a shampoo, and I shampoo twice. And then I use the Pearl Cream Rinse as my in-shower conditioner, but then I use the conditioner bar as a leave-in. So what I do is after I rinse out everything, I take my conditioner bar and wet it, and then about from my chin down, I rub it. And I do that all over my hair, and that seems to lock in the moisture for me. So first I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and comb through my hair. I did let it sit in my towel for about 5 or 10 minutes. Then I'm going to section my hair into 2 sections, a top and a bottom half. I'm just going to use a claw clip to keep the top part separate. So claw clip right up there. So I'm going to take this bottom half, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my hero oil and take about 4 drops. And I'm going to just rub that into my hair. The oil locks in the moisture from the water and the conditioner. So this bottom section I'm going to separate into 2. And I'm going to take my gel, half gel, half water. I had already used half of this, and so I filled it back up with distilled water so that way it was pure, and I just shook it and so I can use it straight out of this bottle. And I'm going to do about 1/4 sized for each side. My mixed nylon brush, and brush that in so I know that it gets every strand coated. Now I'm just going to do this around my head. Here it is dry. Waves look nice and shiny. Here's a length check right here. It's my waist. Pulling it straight, it's almost to tailbone. But so far, I am really enjoying this lunar journey. I have been thoroughly impressed with everything I've tried. Detox was rough, but here I am 6 months later, and I've not had really a bad hair day since. And that includes me not refreshing my curls or wearing them curly, wearing them up. It's been a really good experience so far. So I'm excited to see how these next 6 months go.